Okay, Hector, this is a quick video so you can see what I've done with this one collegiate player. Uh, so they had the same issue where they bring the club back with that elbow bent. And you can see she's actually able to get the club back down and keep her body and her spine angle pretty stable. But what happens is because she does that, she loses a bunch of lag and power. So what happens is she throws the club head down. So she's throwing the club head down here, so she's losing all the power, which and lag, so she ends up scooping it. So you can see that she scoops the ball. So rather than turning it over correctly, it's a scoop action. So she loses tons of power and control. So she should be comfortably hitting at 230, 240 yards for someone her size, but it's tough for her to even reach 200 with her driver. So if we compare that to working on getting that right arm to stay straight in her backswing, now the club is traveling correctly into position so then she can transfer into her downswing. Okay? And here we go here. So now she's starting it back correct. It's nice and straight. She gets that wonderful little triangle with the right arm straight in this position. And then she's able to then generate lag on the downswing. So if you look at what's happening here, look where her left hand is now, and then look where the club head is. The club head is much farther behind than it was on the previous video. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's take a look at an actual shot. So here we go. Again, straighter back right arm. Okay, she's staying stable. Ignore this part because we're still working on that. This is actually the wrong position to be in here. But then look at this. Now her elbow is getting in the right spot. She has tons of more power, tons of more lag that she can then impart into the swing to get the correct release. Okay, straight bend. So the way we work on that, and this is what we're going to work on next with you, is bringing it back straight and then learning how to transfer your direction with the elbow getting in front of the body. I'm going to go over this with you later this week. Go straight and then back so you learn to get that right elbow in front of the body. So here's a good swing. This is actually one of my other clients. Better watch it in slow-mo. There we go. Okay, straight, 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 straight. It's going to bend here in order for him to change direction, and then a release. Okay, again, straight, pull it in front of the body, and then a release. Enjoy watching this. I'll talk to you in a couple of days.